Ziggy Zebra's Stinky Day. Ziggy the zebra has been taking a nap in the hot sunshine. He tosses and turns, deciding he is too hot and sweaty to sleep anymore. Yawn! Ziggy has a good stretch and decides he will have a walk. Ellie Elephant and Ginger Giraffe are playing hopscotch on the sandy ground. I'm bored. Can I play with you guys? But Ellie and Ginger just hold their noses and shake their heads. Chasey Cheetah and Mary Monkey are playing leapfrog, laughing and jumping. I'm bored. Can I play with you guys? But Chasey and Mary shake their heads and hold their noses too. Rob Rhino and Hannah Hippo are skipping together, both with one rope. I'm bored. Is there room for one more? Rob and Hannah hold their noses and put down their skipping rope. Have you had a bath today, Ziggy? Maybe we should go swimming instead. Hannah calls the others over, and diving into the water, all of them have a great game together as they show little Ziggy how to have a good scrub.